Today we are going to talk about how to use the client plan your time off worksheet. What we're going to do is go over each of the fields and how best to fill out each of the fields. In this first field, name, you're going to fill out the name. Your client will fill out their name. They're going to include in this field total number of days that they have allocated off, either that they are given for holiday time and personal time off, vacation time, whatever it's called in their organization. This is going to be the total number of days off. Most people have anywhere from 15 to 30 days off, depending on their organization. So I'm going to put 20 days here. If, let's say, the person is an entrepreneur and they don't have the benefit, but they want to take off an X number of days, that's what they're going to put in this field as well. In the first field, this is the month, common holidays. If your client, or if you would like to add additional days or items for you to remember, you feel free to add that information in this field. But the common holidays for the year, United States holidays, are included in here. This is the weeks starting on Monday for each week of this year. Number of days is the total number of days that you want to take off. So let's say in February, this week, I'm going to take off, and I actually know that this week I'm going to take off 5 days. This actually covers 2 weeks. It covers, I'm actually leaving on a Saturday and I'm coming back on a Wednesday. You can either add that in one row or you can split it over 2 rows. It's really up to you how you want to do that. For ease, I'm just going to put it on 1 row, and then I'm going to put, so this is the start and end date of your vacation, total number of days of your time off. Here, reason for your trip. You have option of vacation, other, honeymoon, birthday, anniversary, family/friend obligation, or business travel. What's intended for family/friend obligation is for events that you have to do on the behalf of someone else. So let's say you have to go to a friend's wedding. You may put friend or family obligation in that. Select that option. If it's your wedding, you would want to put your wedding. But if it's for someone else's wedding or someone else's, maybe you need to go to your parents' house for their anniversary. That's something you may want to do. You may put for a friend family obligation. Here I'm going to put vacation description. This is one of my honey trips. Here. To get away, you can put whatever description. This is a free-form text field here. Location, that's the destination that you're going. We happen to be going to San Francisco. I'm just putting the airport code there because I know it by heart. You can put whatever. This is another free-form text. This next one is type of travel. And as you can see here, you have options of the type of travel that you need in order to get this. So here we need hotel and air. And let's say our budget is $1,500, right? So that's pretty much how you fill out this form. Once you complete the form, then you just save it and then give it to your travel professional to use so that they can understand all of the trips that you have, or use it for your family, print it out, however you want to use it. But this is all of the year. You just want to make sure that you select all of the travel that you want to do, and not just travel, but all of the time off that you want to take throughout the year, because there may be items that you're still going to take off and you're going to be in your current location and you're not traveling anywhere. You still want to make sure that you're accounting for all travel that you're going to, I keep saying travel, but all time off that you're going to be taking throughout the year. Once you've put in the total number of days, it's going to tell you how many days that you have remaining. You want to look at that at the bottom to ensure that obviously that you are at 0 or you're not in the negative. All right, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know. We'll talk to you soon.